everybody, it's Miss Sonia again. I hope you're staying happy and healthy. I am back in my kitchen and I thought it'd be really fun to do a little snack recipe. You can also do other things with this recipe, so it can be more of like a lunch or a dinner. But for my purposes, it's gonna be more of like a snack. So what you're gonna need is a shape cutter of a circle, and if you don't have one, you can use the open end of a glass. I'm using a smaller one. You're gonna need some sandwich bread. It's okay if it has holes, but this might work better if it doesn't have holes. I'm also gonna be using strawberry jam for mine, along with some nut butter, which I'm using sunflower butter, sun butter. But you can use whatever you want in this. You can also make these savory, so you could do like pizza filled ones, or you can do barbecue chicken filled ones. It all depends on you. With those, I would put them in the oven for a little bit so they're warm. I'm also gonna be putting fresh bananas and frozen blueberries in mine because I didn't have fresh blueberries, but anything really works. So first, we're gonna wash our hands, which I already did that, but if you guys haven't, go ahead, go wash your hands. You can pause the video. But the way you start out this recipe is first you have to cut the bananas, but after you do that, you're gonna take 2 pieces of bread. You're gonna put them on your cutting board or whatever clean surface you wanna do it on. And then you're gonna take your circle cutter. I'm gonna do one with the circle cutter and one with the glass just to show you how they compare, and they're about the same size, so it'll still work. So you're gonna cut it out, move it around a little, and then take off the cutter, and you'll have 2 pieces like this. My bread's kind of small, so these are gonna be kind of small, but if you have bigger bread, that might work better if you want bigger sandwiches. These are kind of my take on like a homemade Uncrustable. So you're gonna have one like this and one like this. And then the other one we're gonna do with the glass. You're gonna move it around a little to get the bread out. And see, works just the same way. And there you're gonna have 2 little circles. So after that, you're gonna open your jam. You're gonna take a spoon, nice clean spoon. You're gonna put some jam on one of the sides of your toast or bread. You can toast this if you want, whatever works. And you're gonna have jam circle. Then you're gonna take, or if you just wanna do jam on both sides, but I'm gonna take my sun butter and I'm gonna put that on the other side. And then sun butter circle. And then I'm gonna take like 3 blueberries. You could put the blueberries and bananas on whatever side, but just make sure to put all of the toppings on one side so you can close it up. And I'll do like 2 bananas. And it looks like that. And then, so this is where all my ingredients are. And then you're gonna take your other half and you're gonna put it over like that. So it looks like a little sandwich. And now for the final part, you can do this with your fingers. You can also do it with a fork. I'll show you both ways. So with your finger, you're gonna press together the ends like that. Because sandwich bread is so soft, so it's gonna come together and stay together really easily. See? So you're just gonna pinch it. Like that. And it stays together. And for the fork part, the fork might work a little better, but either way, it's still a fun activity. You're just gonna press the fork at the bottom, at the ends, just like you were pinching it. See? And it makes little grooves like that. And that's basically the end of the recipe. So whatever you guys want to put inside them, that's your choice. Once you cut out the circles, you can also roll them out to make them thinner if you want to put more stuff in them. And another fun thing you can do with these pieces of bread, you can it's good for breakfast, just so you're not wasting them. You put it on the pan and you crack an egg inside, and then you have like egg toast, so that's fun. So I hope you guys have a lot of fun with this recipe. You can cater it to whatever you want to be inside of them, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!